So many times we forget to focus on the small blessings that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us. And one of the things that we do, especially in the era that we are living in, we really focus on how other people's lives are and their happiness, and then we try to fit that into our life and our lifestyle. And what then tends to happen is it brings us down and it really upsets us. Along with, we tend to look at those individuals who are above us, who are excelling a lot better than us in certain avenues, in certain aspects. But what does our deen actually teaches us? It teaches us to do shukr and thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with regards to those things that He has given us. For an example, we have woken up today. It's another chance to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We have a roof over our heads. We've got a job. We've got a wife. We've got kids. We're healthy. We're breathing. These are all small things that if we thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will definitely help us live a really positive lifestyle. And also, when we are going through a turbulent time, really focus on those individuals who are the less fortunate ones, who might not have a home, who might not be married, who are struggling to have kids maybe, who are struggling to get a job, don't have a house that can really facilitate the family, have a very basic income, who are struggling with the finances, who are maybe struggling with their deen. All these are things that when we look at individuals who unfortunately are less fortunate, it will give us the ability to thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for all the blessings that He has given us. And this is a key technique that we all can implement in our lives to live a very happy, positive lifestyle. If you guys have benefited from this video, please like, share and subscribe with your friends and family. Remember me in your sincere du'as. My name is Muhammad Ali. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.